IntelliLink with available navigation gives you several ways to enter a destination. To begin, press the navigation icon, then the destination icon on the map. From there, you have 5 options to enter a destination: voice recognition, address, recent destinations, contacts, and places of interest, or POI. To use voice recognition, press the push-to-talk button, listen for the system response and the beep, then speak one of the commands to begin a dialogue with the system. Commands include destination address, destination places of interest, or destination contact. Pressing the voice icon will display a list of navigation commands. To enter an address, enter the letters and the numbers on the alphanumeric keypad until all lines of the entry are complete, or search by beginning to enter an address, an intersection, a highway, or a freeway entrance ramp. Recent destinations recalls recently entered or previously saved locations. Use contacts to enter a destination from a connected Bluetooth device or a location from the vehicle's contact list. Places of interest drills down into categories to search destinations by type. After entering your destination, press Go on the touchscreen to begin route guidance. To save a destination to your vehicle contacts, press Save before starting route guidance. To save a destination as a favorite, press the arrow at the bottom right of the screen to bring up a list of favorites. Press and hold a favorite location until the system beeps.